All right, we're back for another Miniverse Real Brands unboxing. This one is where in the Cheez-It, the hint mark is at the top of the T. Okay, here we go. This is my 10th ball, by the way. So there are 12, so this is 10 of 12. What is this? Okay. Oh, yay! This is the grape jelly. The grape Smucker's jelly. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, yum. This is the Good Humor chocolate eclair ice cream bars. Let's see. Okay, Rice Krispie treats. I think that was in another one too. Again, they do repeat some of the items. I've been waiting for these ones. These are the Hostess. Oops. The Hostess powdered mini donuts. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. That's nuts. Oh, this is the Jenny fresh ground turkey. That's wild. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That was fun.